Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. We're back.
Live, worldwide, wide, boats and hoes. All right. All right.
No, we keep it.
Wait, prestige. No. Wait, it's going down? Oh, prestige, worldwide, wide. We're back, and I can't breathe. Why do we? Hey, no, they can't have me on a news channel because I can't. Oh, with all seriousness, prestige, world, why? I can't. Why? Are you done? I'm done. Okay. They should have gave me the microphone.
Oh my God.
What's that?
Okay, well, as you can guess, we're back.
Santa Maria, drinking sangria, nachos, lemonade, my dad's boat. What? Boats and hoes.
Okay.
All right. Cut. All right. Now we back.
No, we
back.
cut nothing.
We back. All right. Let's go.
Oh my God. Wow. Okay, so here she is. Oh my God. We're back.
Don't drink on.
Believe it or not, we're not actually lushing that bad. I know you don't believe it.
Shit.
Okay, we can do this.
All right, we can do this.
I think I can. What? What are you doing?
All right, let me stop messing with her because she can't take it.
Oh, okay, so this particular recipe, I think I can do it, is the Thanksgiving Margarita, okay?
Woo, chap.
So,
family oriented. Everybody's in, well.
Not everyone, those of drinking age, please. So, you know, the margarita is versatile. We know that much.
Very.
And this being the holiday season, we wanted to look for something that was going to have, you know, that Thanksgiving feel, okay? So as you can see, happy Thanksgiving from us to you, okay? And we are going to hopefully this is going to be good so that
Hopefully
it can really
on
be
your table, you
a
know,
happy
with a
Thanksgiving.
Very happy Thanksgiving.
Right. So we're gonna run through these ingredients,
Yes,
these
ma'am.
ingredients, okay? And then we're going to, we're gonna make it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we have tequila, gold tequila specifically.
You ain't saying what you usually say.
Tequila.
There you go.
Sorry, my bad.
So.
And apple cider, okay? Grand Marnier to uplift it, okay? Pear juice, don't look at the label. It's pear juice, so, okay?
We said holidays are for everyone, right? Yeah.
And for a little razzle dazzle garnish, we have our cinnamon sticks. We have also salted our glass rims with kosher salt, okay? Feel free to sugar your rim if you prefer. You know what, I'm gonna be careful how I say this. If you would like sugar on the outer perimeter of your glass, okay, go ahead and do that because I already know somebody gonna say some stuff, okay? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's get into this. You ready?
I'm ready.
Would you pass me the apple cider, please?
Yes, ma'am, darling. Yes, you can.
Okay, I'm kind of upset that I got this big old jug, so somebody got to drink this.
I ain't gonna hold you, sis. Apple cider is like real lit. I don't know if it's because it's the age bracket that I became in, but yeah, I like it.
I like apple cider too. I just didn't anticipate necessarily getting a gallon of it, but that's what happened. So
oh, they put it on you. How much is this again?
2 ounces.
Ooh, shit.
Yes. Then we're gonna do 2 ounces of our pear juice.
So, fun fact or funny story. So, on my way here, right, I knew I was shooting, but of course, I wasn't lushing. I promise you, I didn't drink anything.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I forgot to bring my shaker.
Mm-hmm.
So, shout out to DoorDash because it brought it in 30 minutes for me, a shaker. So, DoorDash, thank you. Because without you,
DoorDash.
I would not be drinking right now, or I'll be waiting for Amber, and then, well, who wants to wait for her? Because she's like a snail. But anyway, thank you. I appreciate you, DoorDash. How many ounces is this? No,
2 ounces.
She loves me.
She lost her daggone mind.
She loves
okay.
me. Okay.
Whatever.
She loves me. She loves me not. No, she loves me. All right.
Would you pass the...
You all right?
I am. It's your fault. You're supposed to put the cap on that.
Oh, my bad.
Pass me the tequila, please.
I didn't know I was capping, dog.
Well, you know, you usually, since
free.
you tend to be the second person that uses it, you usually put it back.
Don't
Anyway.
make me sir cap a lot.
What? I can't.
Oh, I don't know if it's like discrimination, but your glass shaker, I already know it's taller than mine, but it looks like you got more in it. How many is this?
It's 1.5.
I was about to say, what you mean you don't know?
No. I was referring to why it looks the way that it looks. I don't have a valid answer for that.
Looks can be deceiving. Yeah.
Okay, and 1 ounce of our Grand Marnier.
Marnier. I used to call that drink Marnier. I don't know why, but I don't know.
I mean,
This 1 ounce?
just 1 ounce.
Just 1 ounce.
I mean, you could do what the ancestors tell you to do,
Ooh,
but
I like that goop.
right? But sometimes Grand Marnier can kind of sneak up on you. So
Shout out to Red Lobster when I be going to my happy hour sometimes. You know, I don't care what nobody says, dog. When those Grand Patron margaritas kick in and you get a little Grand Marnier on the side, baby, it's a good time. I don't care what nobody says. I'm still your #1 customer. All right, let's go. Sorry.
are you good?
I had to give Red Lobster a shout out.
had to give Red
They
Lobster.
real underestimated. People say they ain't got no real seafood and shit like that, but who goes there for the seafood? I go for the drinks and the biscuits.
Definitely the biscuits
I'm just
and the drink. You're right.
Yeah.
It's facts. We don't go there for that.
Cheddar Bay biscuits for the win, baby.
They are delicious.
And listen, when y'all buy those Cheddar Bay biscuits in the frozen section in the grocery store, they ain't the same.
They aren't.
They ain't
You
the
be
same.
trying to make it the same, but it's definitely not the same.
They ain't the same.
All right.
Oh my gosh,
Girl.
I didn't. Even
Okay, I'm gonna.
taste it. I
I have reserves as well.
I
you-
can't see mine. Luckily for you, you have a shaker. I thought it was gonna stop.
Man, whew. Get you. Well, okay. Listen, the point is the cinnamon stick is in there. It disappeared once again.
I wonder if you can drink out the cinnamon stick like a straw.
Do you want to try?
I will once I get some of it down first.
Oh,
Go ahead.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
We can't toast because.
No. We like the cha-cha. Hey.
Oh yeah. What's the verdict?
It's good. Mm-hmm. Hey, I feel like that baby Gerber over there is kind of like a little bit.
All right. Listen. I couldn't find the pear juice nowhere else but the baby aisle.
And while I'm drinking it, the little babies are staring at me like, yeah. Yeah. Can you imagine like drinking a drink and you see this shit over here at the bar? Can you imagine that?
Hey yo.
Like, yeah, girl. I ain't
Listen.
got no kids, so they ain't remind me I gotta go home or nothing. But I'm just saying, like,
Wow.
what?
I know. Gerber for the win,
Juice from
though.
Concentrate too.
Well,
And
how about that?
Gerber, why you got that little taller shirt and stuff over there? 12 plus months. Look at that in a jumpsuit. What's up with that?
Gerber, we have questions, but that's mostly for another episode. Let's
Yes.
get into what you think about this Thanksgiving margarita.
I'm not getting margarita vibes from all of it. I love margaritas. I love all kinds. From different places and high places and low places.
Okay.
And, you know, undisclosed places. But I'm not feeling margarita when it comes to this.
Oh.
I'm not feeling it. I don't know if it's the baby Gerber over here.
No.
I don't know. I'm not really liking it. So with that being said, it's not, if somebody gave it to me, I'll sip on it. But I'm not getting margarita vibes. Again, it's a name that's throwing me off completely. I'm going to give this I'm being generous when I say this, a 5.
Dang!
Yeah.
Oh, 5. I don't
5.
think that I have ever heard you rate a drink with tequila a 5.
You're right about that.
Man.
Yeah, I don't know, and I don't really get pear flavor out of it, and that's why I say I don't know.
Pear is subtle too. It's probably overshadowed by the apple cider.
Apple cider, tequila, and the Grand Marnier. I ain't gonna lie to you, big dog.
So, okay. I think this is not bad, okay? I understand where you're coming from.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily giving me a margarita.
Even Pedialyte.
Oh, dang.
No, go ahead. I'm listening. I'm sorry.
But it's still good. So I think the problem here is someone was like, well, it's tequila in there, so we're gonna call it a margarita. And it's not necessarily giving me what I would think of from margarita.
You know what else is missing from a margarita? The lime juice.
Yeah.
You can have lime juice.
Yeah. Yeah.
And is it simple syrup or triple syrup? That's one of the two.
Yeah. Yeah. It depends on like the recipe, right? Yeah. So, okay. So I'm going to give, with that in mind, I mean, I'm still going to give this like a 7.5. And the reason I'm giving that particular score is that I would still drink it.
Yeah, I would drink it.
I still think it's tasty. Because of the apple cider, I still think that it's something that you would enjoy around the holiday time. It kind of reminds you of that. But I think if you're looking for a margarita, this probably missed the boat just a tad.
It's like an organic, and like I said, margarita's prominent thing other than tequila, of course, is the lime juice. And I don't have that citrus going on in it.
I see what you mean.
So I wouldn't call it a margarita personally, but you know, to each his own. Whoever created this, I don't know what you were thinking.
Damn.
But I mean, like I said, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not good either.
Well, I thought it was good, but I get what you said. I get what you said.
I mean, just coming from a margarita, it kind of sucks. I just don't see it, but whatever.
I hear you. I hear you. So, you know, we want to hear from you what your thoughts would be on this particular recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what some of your holiday favorites are. Is there a margarita that you do like around the holidays that is more margarita than this? We're looking for a little more fire on that one. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not good.
Like make it rain and clear it out.
Ay.
And make it rain and clear it out. This is not it. This is not it.
Damn.
This is not it for a margarita. Ay.
She remixed it. She remixed it.
Y'all, if anybody want to sign me, look, I ain't gonna do temporary, like part-time, big dog. You know what I'm saying? Get some ad-libs. Prestige. Word. Wide. So I can do that for you, big dog.
Oh my God. So, like, yeah, just let us know what you think, okay? Because she's gonna clearly finish whatever this is, and you know.
Guess what? My time of the season is coming. You feel the snow coming?
Oh my gosh, it is getting colder out.
And I hear Mariah Carey coming. She's unfreezing. Lord Jesus.
She been unfreezing for a minute because she announced her tour. She was like, oh, is that a flake over there in the north?
Ooh, child, she was defrosting and everything.
Christmas time. That's what she said.
What's that song she? I don't know. That's it.
We'll be back, y'all. She's lushing for real.